Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
So before we start our class today, I have here a picture. So what is this?
A bunny.
Very good. Yes, correct. This is a bunny. So what color did you notice on the bunny?
Color pink.
My color green.
Wow. Yes. So how about the patterns in the bunny?
It is
Rhea?
a repeating pattern.
Yes, correct. The pattern we see in the bunny is a repeating pattern or repeating arrangement. So what about the materials using in bunny? So mayroon ang mga materials na magamit para mapubra ang bunny?
Yes.
Yes, Tia.
Dahon kalubi.
How about Mark?
Ratan, ma'am.
Yes, correct. So, mapubra ka kapanig, makayos kita sa ratan or ang palm leaves. Okay, so today, we are going to learn making paper weaving or paper banig. So, who can read what is weaving? Rhea?
Weaving is a way of making designs or objects by passing materials over and under each other. In real life, weaving is used to make things like banig or mat, baskets, cloth or fabric, hats, and bags.
Yes, there are different kinds of weaving. So, meron ang banig, basket, cloth, or fabric, hats, and bags. But today, we are going to make a banig. But instead of using palm leaves or rattan, we're gonna use a colored paper. So, I have here an example. So, look at this. This is an example of a paper banig using a different kind of colored paper. So now, I will show you the materials that we need to use in making paper banig. So I have here a colored paper, scissors, and glue. Hindi man sila ito kinanglan na magamit kita pencil, kaya pwede ka lang fold lang ang colored paper. So next, this is the steps in making a paper banig. So step 1 is I have here a one colored paper. We can call this is a beige sheet. So next, we're gonna fold it into half. Yes. Then instead na utang kita sa line, mag-fold naman kita again, half again. Hasta nga magamay na lang isa nga do nipis kang sa gawa. Then we will cut it like this. Pero before tayo i-cut, para hindi mo tutanan, binlan ka na lang naman sa babaw. Ma-fold na lang kita, gamay lang. And then, cut that. No, ikat na. Okay, so magtapos sa cut, muna na din siya iyang result or ang basa nga doon ng cut. Next, ma-prepare naman kita another na colored paper and then fold na naman sa half. Hasta nga same lang sa una, nga gamay mo hasta sa nipis. Pero ang himuon ta sa Manila colored paper, hindi ta saya magpinlan same sa una tang ginubra, pero ubuson ta sa gunting. So, muli na din sa ang iyang result. Mayara kita nga lain-lain na ginunting. So, next, ma-start na kita katong nga weaving. So, first, under and over. So, under, dili ka ma-start sa ilalong. So, dili. Next, over sa babaw yan. Then, under na naman dua. Over, under. Hasta malabot ta. Same ini. So, ang muli, naka-glow na ni isa. Then, next ya is same na Japon, pero una kita sa over. Next step is over, under, hasta sa matapos. Sa then, i-glow ta naman ng Japon. Same lang Japon ang iyang procedure. So, ang muna ni isa. So, next, hasta matapos nyo, ang mga Japon ninyo nga, imoon. Okay, now, who can volunteer making paper bunny?
Ma'am,
Yes, Jeffrey, come here. Okay, thank you, Jeffrey. So, this is the result of our making a paper bunny. So, class, do you all know how to create a paper bunny?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, since you know how to create a paper bunny, now you can create your own paper bunny. So, I will give you 10 minutes to create your own artwork. Then you can pass if you are done, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all done creating your artwork?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now you can pass it in front. Then get your assignment notebook and copy your assignment. Are you all done copying your assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now keep all your notebook and pick up pieces of paper on the floor. Make it clean. Okay, so that's all for today, class. Thank you and goodbye, class.
Goodbye, ma'am. Goodbye, classmates. See you on